Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Thank you so much for tuning in. For today's video, I'm going to create this look using only Huda Beauty products. If you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. So usually after my regimen in the bathroom, I would change clothes, and then usually I would put Moana, it's Moana or Frozen on TV so I can do my stuff. Then when she's relaxed watching, I would set up for a video. So when I'm not filming, I would be editing and I'll just stay wherever Coco stays because she cannot live without mommy. I'm still breastfeeding, maybe that's why. Oh, Coco, you're here. I have new stuff that came in the mail. I tried this before from a sample and I kind of like it, especially during winter time. I've noticed that I have dry skin and I am peeling. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm peeling, and sometimes I can't get it out just with moisturizer. I need a scrub or something. Nothing is working right now, so I think this is a good way to get rid of this just dead skin coming off. I want to try this one and hopefully it works. This one is the Thirst Trap Juice. Ooh, this one is new. It has hyaluronic acid, peptides, aloe vera, hollyhock rose, and it's made in South Korea, which is amazing. And then I have the new Huda Beauty FAUX Filter Luminous Matte. They rebumped their old foundation to a new formula, which is amazing. I already love the OG formula. If they say this is better, I really want to try it. Dose of Colors. This one is their sponge, like facial cleansing sponge. Dose of Colors launched their facial skincare recently. One of the things that we released is this facial cleansing sponge. It looks like one of those, what do you call that? Like the Korean sponge. It cleanses and exfoliates to reveal a brighter, smoother complexion for all skin types. So I really want that. Jacqueline Hill put this in her story. I saw it already at Namie's. I wanted to buy it. She said that it's actually pretty good. That just confirmed that I want to buy it. Got in the mail the Hollywood Contour Wand. You know why? I just ordered this contour wand and look, I used it once. It says like it's 12 ml. Asked customer service like, why is it like there's nothing much in the tube? And then they sent me a new one, which is amazing, right? This L'Oreal liquid highlighter. This one is 14 ml and this one is 12 ml. So for the size of this, I would assume like you can fit it somewhere here, right? But I don't think like there is 12 ml in this little tiny tube. Okay, this is the new one, but I think it's all air inside. I just used this probably 3 times, like 3 drops. This is 14, the Snowflower. I'm in New York. By the way, this is Earl Grey milk tea, my favorite. This is 14 ml. I don't think that there is 12 ml in this too. With this one, I used this once. I honestly used this once. This is the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. This is 12 ml as well. I don't think there's 12 ml in there. And then I got a new color from Huda Beauty. This is their matte. I hate it when they come in imperfect. There is a chip on top, but I love them so much. This one is in board meeting. All right, that's my new stuff. This feels like water. This feels very hydrating, very light. I like it. I like how, you know, it grabs your skin, but it's not heavy and it's not oily. I like that it feels like water. Okay, for the star of the show, this is the Huda Beauty, the biggie. This one is in Amaretti, 310G. It's new, it won't come out. 10,000 years. Okay. Ooh, is it my color? Oh my god, look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, we're gonna do half. I should have put like tape here. So this foundation dries faster than the original one. I am very familiar with the OG formula, so I used it for years and it's my go-to glam foundation. Also, when I like really fast application, this color is very yellow. Okay, I'm going to blend it with sponge, but you don't have to blend in. I don't think I have to, I just wanted to. Huda Beauty Silk Balm. Okay, here we go. What do we think? It's too yellow. Is it too yellow? I think it's gonna blend. All right, so this is the coverage that I really like. 2 layers of foundation. This is a little bit yellow for my skin tone. It's golden. So this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna fill the other side now. If you don't like a full coverage foundation, they have the foundation stick that I recommend. Okay, so my face and my body doesn't match. I am too pale. Okay guys, so foundation is done. I think the finish is so pretty. You don't have to set this foundation. It dries very quick and it sets on your skin like real skin. I have not put anything on my skin, but look how shiny it is. Ah, wow. All right guys, so I'm done with the foundation. It looks so good, but I want something to highlight my under eye, so I'm going to get a lighter concealer. This one is the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever concealer. I like this concealer. It is very full coverage, so if you want a very thin full coverage concealer, this might work for you. So I just want something to brighten my face. Hold on guys, I'm gonna get my phone because it's snow day here and they didn't cancel school. Scared that I'm gonna miss the message that they cancel school and I have to pick up Kingston at the bus stop, so I'll just find my phone. Hold on. I think I'm gonna put a lot of eye products, so I'm going to darken my eyebrows just to balance it. Sometimes you need like a lighter brow for a lighter look. This is the Duo Brow from Anastasia. Put it in like outer, like 3/4. I left 1/4 here, just the way it is, so it has like that ombre. I don't like it too heavy here. Maybe I'll put a little bit, ever so tiny, like that, like so. I don't think Huda Beauty has an eyeshadow primer. I have a collection of paint pot. They're not all paint pot. Probably there is 3 MAC paint pot, 1 Tom Ford, and the others are Colourpop cream shadows. They're beautiful. I don't dip the same finger and I try to get as much as I can so I can distribute it both eye. It's kind of hard to have long nails and do makeup, huh? So for our palette today, I'm going to use the Naughty Huda Beauty Naughty palette. This is the latest Huda Beauty palette. I have a video using this palette, but I really want to create another look. I'm going to put a little bit of Easy Bake under my eyes. This one is in Banana Bread. Setting is applying a thin layer of powder. Baking is more on like packing the product and leaving it for a good minute. What I don't like about baking is if you don't know your products very well. I'm always scared of cakiness, but if you're used to it and you know how to do it, why not? All right, I'm going to get this shade right here. This is my favorite shade in this palette. It's called Rough. This is going to be my transition and just windshield wiping motion. I'm going to follow my crease. You would think like this is a brown in this palette, but it's turning red on me, on my skin. A lot of people are saying that all Huda Beauty eyeshadow turns red. There's a joke like Huda Beauty cannot make a brown eyeshadow. I love them though. I love Mona. This is the shadow that I am putting on. It doesn't look the same on my skin. I actually like this side better. She has this pencil liner. I'm going to waterline. Okay, this liner was very creamy at first when I got it. I think it dried. It's not very smooth anymore and it's dragging. I also created a small wing, but I'm gonna build it up. What I'm doing is I'm creating the eye shape that I want before I continue with my eyeshadow. Okay, so we can leave it like that for now. This shade right here, Juicy shade. And I'm going to go over the crease. It's very pretty. And then I'm gonna bring that shade under my eyes. I'm gonna get a clean brush and blend the edges. Surprisingly, I don't have any fallout on my face. Okay, so there is this red one that I really want to try. That's beautiful. That's this one. Which one? I kind of want to do both. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty brush. I'm going to get Desire here. I'm gonna use the sponge side. This one is Desire. I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. It is very beautiful. Oh my gosh. Then I'm going to use my finger. Press and tap, press and tap. Next, I'm going to flip my sponge. I'm gonna get this shade, Please Me, and put that in the other half of my lid. What? This is so pretty. What? This is so pretty. And then I'm gonna put Please Me under my eye here in the inner corner. You guys know I like putting shadow, shimmer shadow right there. Just opens up my eyes. Now we need an inner corner highlight. I want this one. This one is called Irresistible. Oh yeah. And this is a very shimmery shadow. I'm gonna get Naughty and then put that. And then I'm gonna get this shade right here, same brush, because I'm gonna blend it. This one is Hypnotic. I really want to put Desire, this red metallic shade under my eye. And then I'm gonna get the liquid liner. Alright, next I'm gonna put some mascara. It's a dual-ended mascara and it has two different formula. Compared to this one. I didn't do contour after we put the foundation, so I'm gonna do that. I'm not a big fan of this Tantour Contour Bronzer in Cream. I think it's patchy, but I'm gonna give it another try. It's like this. It is a cream contour. I'm gonna stop there because I'm hating this contour cream. I hate this contour cream, I swear. Let's see if we can salvage. All right, I'm gonna take it off and then do it again to give it a fair try. All right guys, so I redid my foundation and I also redid the contour. It is so much better, but it is still patchy. Okay, so after I put the new foundation, this is what I'm getting. Like there's still patchiness that I can't resuscitate. I don't know how to make it better. This product is a no-go. I don't recommend it at all. It's very patchy. It's very hard to work with. It's supposed to be like that Chanel de Tan Soleil de Tan de Chanel. Soleil Tan de Chanel is supposed to be the same with a very good range of colors. This one is only one color. I have her highlighters. Let's use the pink sand. This one has the creamy formula. Let's see if it's gonna work here. I think it's beautiful. It's working really good. This is beautiful with a sponge. Okay. I am happy with that. Now I really want to look for a blush. All right, so there is a nice shade here. We can try it. It's not bad at all. There's no pigment, just a shine, but it's like a very nice shine. It's nice and subtle. I'm gonna put that here, the bridge of my nose and tip of my nose. I need blush. Let's try this. I'm just gonna mix it with a highlighter. Yep, there we go, just a little bit. This one is from Colourpop. This is the Coast to Coast. So this is what it looks like. I kind of want to put eyelashes. Okay, I have a Samantha. Okay, I'll be back. I'll just put these lashes. Skin looks good. All right, I'm back with my lashes. This is the Samantha lashes. I cut 1/4 of it and it looks very good. It's more comfortable. It's so pretty. For my lips, Okay, for my lips, I'm going for a matte lipstick. This one is in Graduation Day. All right, so this is Graduation Day. It is looking a little bit creamy and very hydrating because I purposely didn't take off the Silk Balm Hydrating Lip Balm. And it looks very creamy. I kind of like it. It's very nice. This lipstick is matte and it could set quite matte, but not very matte as liquid lipsticks. The brow setting gel from Morphe. I don't have the Huda Beauty setting spray, so I'm just gonna put this setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. This is my current favorite setting spray. That feels so good. And I say that all the time, every time I spray. Okay, I'm going to put nose contour. The new foundation, it is upgraded. I could tell it is very good. You don't need a concealer for this one, and it's not a liquid foundation, it's a cream foundation. It feels luxurious. There's no smell anymore. I didn't think that I had a problem with it. I was okay with it, but without fragrance is actually nice. It feels nice. Finish is beautiful. It's luminous, like it says, luminous matte. This color seems like it adapted to my skin color and it matches me now. Really good. I don't know if it oxidizes or it's just it adapts to your skin. There's a difference. I really love this foundation and I can see myself using it a lot. For the Thirsty Trap Juice, it feels really good. It's just like putting water on your face and it feels so hydrating. I would use this a lot. It's pretty and it has a glass packaging. It looks luxurious. I think Huda Beauty is a genius. She's very perfectionist and everything she comes out, she's very meticulous and very careful what she markets to the public. I think that her products are very high quality. Prices, it's actually pretty good with the quality that you get and the amount of product that you get. All right guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this look as much as I do. What do you guys think about this look? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel if you're not. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Thank you so much for all the support.